Okay.
Gingerly.
About the ice. She had you going for ice.
Oh.
There you go.
Nah, yeah, engine running.
Yeah, the trans honey.
You want it to come all the way up?
Yeah.
Arbor Freight. $259.
This shit connected on here, what's it called? That oil thing. It might slide over.
It's a boat right there.
They like that black long tube thing. That's in the way.
This little boat right here. Can you see my finger?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the long boat right there. The bell house. Hey, the transmission still hooked up?
Nah.
No. Transmission.
Oh, that shit separate then.
I moved a little bit.
Oh, it is.
It's what?
It's part right here.
What is that?
Transmission fluid. Dipstick.
Dipstick should unbolt, or either it should
It should
unbolt.
just pop out. But it's the bell housing bolt. It's in. Have a look.
Man,
Good.
there we go. Well, all there.
Still good. Still good.
Good. What you gonna do? You gonna pull it back? All right. Down with it, sir. Next time that thing go again, it's gonna have a man in it.
Bird on there.
That bitch on that thing.
It's on there. Not a boat in it. Then there a boat.
I think I'm down with it.
And that converter was working when they went to pool. That took a locked up on it.
1305, 38. What does that mean?
Huh?
On your converter, you Nimbus.
A military encryption.
You ain't got no old tie? Black tie?
Yeah. Well, I'm really sorry to this.
I also mowed out the car, got it almost down to just the bell short block. We're getting the oil pan and stuff. Yeah, we got some. We got some metal stuff like that. We are literally about to drop this oil pan and see, cause something tore up in there. We just gotta see. Yep, that. Look, it broke. A rod, broke rod. Look up under, you'll see it broke. See it right there? You see it? You see it? Yeah. Yep. Goddamn rod broke. Damn. Oh man, let go and tell that thing on there.
So like I said, I told you so.
Alright, y'all go check the oil pan. See what we got. Let's see how this. Yeah, that's where we at. Okay, got a little gin one that could. So hold on, let's pour this out. Let's really see what's going on. Let's see what's cooking in the lab here. I really want to keep some of this metal for really want to keep some of it. Let's see. Alright, let's see what it is. So, from the, this whole bunch of shit. So, y'all see all that? Yeah.
Hey, Corey, you missing a rod.
Say what? I'm missing a rod.
You missing a whole rod.
Nah, shit. Damn. Where your hand, bastard? Shine again. Well, I am missing a rod, ain't I? Look at that. Where the hell it go? It down the street somewhere. Y'all see that? Hey. Alright, y'all. So, yeah, missing a rod right there. So y'all give us a minute. We're gonna go out and tear that thing on down. We're gonna really see what's next. Y'all stay tuned.
Oh shit. You ready?
Hold on. Yo.
Huh?
Yeah. Good.
Oh, damn.
Oh, shit. I told you I'd do it.
You sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
I knew it.
That ain't good.
I knew it. I knew it, man. Alright, pull the other one out. We already here. Come on. See how many they caught over here. Oh, we good. So you just caught that one. You just caught that one. Okay. That ain't bad. I'll take that.
What you gotta look at the gas?
Pull the head gas out. I want to see this.
No.
So ain't nothing wrong with gas.
Just start good through the rod.
So just throw a rod. Okay. I'll take that. Move my way. Damn.
You can put your face in there.
Huh?
You can put your face in there.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta take a visit of that. They gonna be a me right there.
Everything good, good. We're down for the year. Damn.